Hey, hi. Um, Today I had received a question from Kiora, and the question is, what are the best strategies and also very important strategies to achieve a link building? So now I'm going to say some of the best and important strategies for link building. Let's say that you have a website or a blog. So you want to increase the reputation of your website or your blog through link building. So you should follow these three methods. First is internal linking on your website. Second is backlink generation. In those backlink generation, you can do two type of backlink creations. One is directory submission, and other is profile creation, and the third is blog commenting. So let me start with the first method. In this first method, what you should do is the method is called as internal linking. Let's say you have a website and the website consists of 5 pages including the home page. So if you want to generate an internal linking, what you for instance you can what do is you can take the home page, and you can create a path links for the rest of the 4 pages in the home page, and that will be here, and that will be internal linking on your website from the home page. So you can do this for any with any pages, or any you can either, this is not necessary that you should start from the home page itself. You can do it from any page. This is one as internal linking. If you do internal linking, means the process of seeing your website, attracting visitors to your website will be more. And the second method is backlink generation, which is called as where the two types, and I'm going to speak about the first type. In the first type, I told as directory submission. The directory submission, there are lots and many types of directory submission. So in the directory submission, you can select some of the few, and some of the few where article submission, forum submission, search engine submission, and website submission. So in website submission, you can there are some directories where you can submit your website, and there are also corresponding directories where you can submit your article, and you can participate in the forum, and you can also submit your website to some of the search engines through those directories. Next is profile creation. In today, if you see, many websites are having with high domain authorities. So in those websites which are having high domain authorities, you can go and you can create a profile on that website, and you can place your site name on that website. So if you create a profile and place a site name on the website, there is a many high probability and chances are having to become as a backlink for your website. So let me repeat it again. So if you want to create a backlink for a website, you can choose the profile creation method, where you can create you can create your profiles in the website which are having a high domain authority, like Amazon, Microsoft, or any websites. And while creating the profile, you can also give your website name, so which results to become a backlink. And next is blog commenting. This is one of the most and very interesting method which is being followed in the current trends. Say that you are having a website that talks about a wildlife. So what you can do is go to Google, there type blog commenting for blogs for wildlife. So many blogs will appear with respect to wildlife. There many contents will be published. Choose any content, and the comment about the content, and while ending the comment, what you do is you give your name and your website, name of the website, or on the end of the comment, and comment for the uncommented. So this is called block commenting. So if you choose these three methods, and if you process the three methods and maintain a consistency on it, and I'm sure and you will have the maximum probability to achieve the link building.